I'm a lucky guy, and I'm always proud of you. You did so many things to make my life anew. You soothed all the storms that had gathered in my heart. Your love's not fake, it's real true love, not just a pastime art. I'm a lucky guy, now I know my dreams come true. When I'm happy, then I like to share my fun with you. When I'm sad, I always like to share my sadness too. Your love's not fake, it's real true love, that's why I'm proud of you. The storms that gathered in my heart still brew a little bit, but I don't have to worry now, you help me to forget. My dreams come true, now I'm not blue, and I can laugh and sing. That's why that I'm a lucky guy, thank you for everything. That's why that I'm a lucky guy, thank you for everything.